Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Hannah Wallace and today we're in Antwerp for the Infosys Finacle Conclave 2018. With me now is Madhivanan from ICICI Bank to discuss the theme of the event, Accelerate Digital. Hello Madhi, thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us today.
It is a pleasure. So it's wonderful to talk to you guys.
So ICICI prides itself with having technology within its DNA. So could you tell me, what do you think will be the main technologies impacting the industry today?
Primarily, I think open banking combined with a very high degree of interoperability among not just banking partners, but various players across the ecosystem, whether it be fintechs, whether it be the government, whether it be corporates. I think the ability to tie this up together is one of the biggest game changers in the world of banking. And how banks adapt to it is going to be very critical, and that is what in ICICI we are all focused about, trying to connect all these dots and make it a viable platform.
All right, and coming back to the theme of the event, what do you think banks need to do to accelerate digital?
Two or three things. They need to find a very clear-cut roadmap of moving away from what I would call as a legacy technology. So the ability to run two systems in parallel. One which is very strong and stable for running the bank business as usual, and building a very agile, light, modular IT infrastructure, whether it is on the cloud, whether it is your own private cloud, so that you're able to respond to the changing conditions very fast. I think these two steps of running these two parallelly will enable them to become very digitally capable.
And finally, while a lot of banks have been evaluating the prospect of leveraging blockchain, ICICI has been ahead of the curve by moving from pilot to production. So with this, could you share with me your vision and the journey undertaken so far?
So let me tell you very quickly about the journey. I think along with Infosys, we actually built in first a POC, then we put it into a production mode along with Emirates NBD Bank, where we established both remittance and trade as a very viable proposition. What we then realized, and in spite, we went ahead and have logged in almost 250 to 300 customers onto this platform who have signed in and are willing to use it. But then what we realized is the bottleneck is we need more nodes, we need more banking partners to come in and join the blockchain. And therefore, our vision now is to move it away from a single host-to-host kind of a platform into a very open, where multiple banks join this and are able to operate with a common set of standards, common dispute resolutions, technology at a shared level, and that's something which we hope to build over the next 3 to 4 months.
And Madhi, this has been great. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for watching.